are going to rate this. We are going to rate the slime I bought. It's store bought. Yeah. Okay. It's called Soul Slime DIY. Okay. It's a teal because there's no blue. Sad. That gave me a heart attack. If you couldn't really hear that. Oh. Oh. That's actually really cool. Bing Zoo. If you didn't know, I actually had to make this, so I already knew. Actually, really. Make sure to turn off your volume, like to hear this. If you heard that, hit the subscribe button and hit the like if you want. I think I knew how to get a nice board. It's gonna be red, and I don't want it to stick. Okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna get my iceberg slime. Please subscribe. I barely had any subscribers. It's a red iceberg slime. Okay, so this is the red iceberg slime I'm talking about. It's highly dry and highly tiny. It's very dry. I think we're gonna need this much. It's not a very big slime. Oh, no, we're gonna need a little more. So, I had a very short video. And if you have watched one of my funniest shorts, the burned one, oh my gosh. Hit that like on that video. Nobody has ever liked my videos. So let's hope I got 3 subscribers. I don't know how many I actually have right now. Let's try. Oh my gosh, I almost got it in my slime. I hate the iceberg slime. Yay! You did not just see that. So what I'm saying about it is it's a jelly slime, and I love the jelly texture with lots of Binsies in it, which I love. Can we try to get? Okay, wait. If this video gets 4 likes, then I will put slime, and I will add more Binsies. Oh, that's gonna be scary. Please do not get this to 3 likes. Or how many I said? I don't know. 4? 3? I don't know. I'm not farting. What? That was at him. That was at him. That was at him. That was at him. You know, Lanky Box. If you're angry, I don't subscribe. Definitely, you have to subscribe. If you can't, or like and subscribe, it's fine. Please comment nice things if you can.